Hello and welcome to my video. In this video I will give an overview of the classification concept. This video can be useful on remembering classification concepts or on learning them. In this video I will start by giving some information about classification, and after that we are going to do an example of how classification works, and after that we will consider what are the classification algorithms. At the end of the video, I will talk about some classification examples that I used in real world, and that will be the end of our video. We can start now. Classification is a fundamental task in machine learning that involves organizing data into predefined categories or classes. It is a process of identifying to which category an observation belongs based on a set of predefined classes. The goal of classification is to accurately predict the class or category of an observation. Classification algorithms are widely used in various fields such as computer vision, natural language processing, and bioinformatics. These algorithms are used to classify images, text, and genetic sequences, among other things. The most common examples of classification problems are email spam detection, image recognition, and credit scoring. We will discuss and learn about classification by checking a spam detection example. Let's think of your mail account. Some of the mails goes into spam and some not, right? There's classification algorithm working there. Let's think of a data which consists a lot of mails and numbers of 1 and 0 near to it. 1 refers to spam, 0 refers to it's not a spam email. With this data, we train our classification model, and this is going to be useful on predicting the new mails. When a new mail comes from the past email data, our classification algorithm will decide if it's a spam or not. It can be from a lot of sources like its sender, topic, or words inside. Our model will consider all of them and make a prediction. If it's spam for our algorithm, it will be marked as spam in our mail provider. This was a basic example. What are the common classification algorithms? We will see the algorithms, and I will talk about them with 1 or 2 sentences. We will see them at 4 at page, and a simple picture of them which shows how they work. If you want to discover more about that algorithms, you can visit my machine learning course which I gave on Udemy. We are starting with logistic regression. Logistic regression is a linear model that's used to predict a binary outcome like yes or no. It's widely used in applications such as medical diagnosis, credit scoring, and customer churn prediction. Second algorithm is naive Bayes. It's a probabilistic algorithm that's based on Bayes' theorem. It is commonly used in text classification and spam filtering. Third algorithm is k-nearest neighbors. K-nearest neighbors is a simple algorithm that classifies an observation based on the majority class of its k-nearest neighbors. It is often used in image classification and anomaly detection. Fourth algorithm is decision trees. It's a tree-based model that recursively splits the data into subsets based on the values of the input features. It is widely used in applications such as credit scoring, medical diagnosis, and customer churn prediction. Our next algorithm is random forests. It's an ensemble method that combines multiple decision trees to improve the performance of the model. It's widely used in applications such as image classification, object detection. Sixth algorithm is support vector machines. Support vector machines are a linear model that aims to find the best boundary between different classes of data. It's widely used in applications such as image classification, text classification, and bioinformatics. Our last algorithm is neural networks. It's a class of algorithms that are inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. They are widely used in applications such as image recognition, natural language processing, and speech recognition. Let's check the real-world usages of classification algorithms. Again, I will go with 1 or 2 sentences. For the start, let's take the email spam filtering, which we talked about in this video. The classification algorithms are trained to identify the difference between spam and non-spam emails. In image recognition systems, the classification algorithms are trained to identify the difference between spam and non-spam emails. Medical diagnosis usage. Medical professionals use classification algorithms to help diagnose patients based on symptoms, test results, and other medical data. Natural language processing usage. Text classification algorithms are used in a variety of natural language processing tasks, such as sentiment analysis, topic classification, and language detection. Usage in customer segmentation and marketing. Companies use classification algorithms to segment their customers into different groups based on demographic and behavioral data. This allows them to personalize their marketing campaigns and improve the effectiveness of their sales efforts. Fraud detection. Financial institutions use classification algorithms to detect fraudulent transactions. This helps them to prevent financial losses and protect customers from identified theft. Speech recognition. Algorithms are trained to recognize speech patterns to transcribe and translate spoken language into text. This technology is used in virtual assistants like Amazon's Alexa and Google's Assistant, as well as in speech-to-text dictation software. To sum up, classification algorithms are widely used algorithms in real world. They can be useful on a variety of tasks. In this video, I tried my best about giving general information about classification concepts. Thank you for watching and listening. If you want to see more data science content, you can subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Goodbye.